The BMW nobody warned you about. BMW made two convertibles that accidentally became cult classics, and people are finally catching on. This 328i has the M52 engine, and BMW fans literally hunt for these because there's no turbochargers. No turbo, no stress. It revs smooth, sounds amazing, and these engines routinely survive way past 200,000 miles. But this is the dangerous one. The 335IS got upgraded cooling, special software, extra horsepower, and a factory exhaust that sounds illegal after midnight. BMW's undercover M car is right here, and BMW only made the IS models for a short time, which is exactly why enthusiasts are starting to hoard them. One is the dependable BMW everyone wishes they bought sooner, and the other is the one your neighbors will accidentally hear every morning. Which one are you taking? Both are available now at Atlas Motor Co. The BMW M340i has quietly become one of the most respected modern BMWs, and once you understand what this car offers, it's easy to see why. This generation introduced BMW's B58 turbocharged inline-six engine, an engine that's earned a reputation for both performance and long-term durability. From the factory, this car makes nearly 400 horsepower, comes with BMW's xDrive all-wheel drive system, and delivers the kind of acceleration that used to require a full M car. But what really separates the M340i from older sports sedans is how refined it feels every day. This example is loaded with premium factory options, including the premium package, driving assistance package, navigation, Apple CarPlay, Harman Kardon audio, heated seats, heated steering wheel, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, and a heads-up display. This M340i also comes with extensive documented service history and recent maintenance completed, including an oil service, brake fluid flush, and coolant flush. For buyers looking for a modern BMW performance sedan that's already been properly cared for, this is exactly the kind of example enthusiasts look for. If you want modern BMW performance without sacrificing comfort, technology, or daily drivability, the M340i is one of the best values on the market today. Check out this 2020 BMW M340i xDrive, available now at Atlas Motor Co. This 2010 BMW Z4 S-Drive 35i is one of those cars enthusiasts are starting to appreciate more every year. Under the hood is BMW's legendary twin-turbo N54 inline-six paired to a 6-speed manual transmission and rear-wheel drive. This combination is getting harder to find, especially in a modern roadster that still feels mechanical and connected to drive. This example features a jet black exterior over coral red Kansas leather interior with an original MSRP over $63,000. It's also equipped with heated seats, comfort access, premium sound, adaptive M suspension, xenon adaptive headlights, and the sport package. The retractable hardtop gives you the best of both worlds, convertible driving when you want it and coupe-like comfort when you don't. This Z4 was recently signed off by our master technician and has already received important maintenance, including an oil service, brake fluid flush, coolant flush, oil filter housing gasket replacement, and hood struts. If you've been looking for a modern BMW Roadster with real enthusiast appeal, turbocharged power, and a manual transmission, Manuel, this Z4 checks all the boxes. This is our 2010 BMW Z4 S-Drive 35i, available now at Atlas Motor Co.